Welcome back, everyone. I got my new head gaskets in the mail, so now I can put my heads on. Make sure you don't mix your sides up. Make sure you get your left side on the left side and the right side on the right. Remember, your exhaust is always on the bottom. I'm reusing my old head bolts, so I'm not going to go through the bolt stretching sequence. So I'm just going to oil these up and drop them in and then start the second part of the torque sequence. Now I'm just drawing them in. So the torque sequence goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, you start from the inner ones, then you go and you work your outer bolts. And your outer bolts, you always want to go from your farthest bolt out. Since I'm skipping your bolt stretching procedure, I'm just going to go straight into the final torque down procedure. And the only reason why I'm skipping the bolt stretching is because these are already used bolts. They've already been stretched, so I don't need to re-stretch them. So the bolts 1 and 2 need to be tight down to 27 foot-pounds. Now the outer bolts 3, 4, 5, and 6 need to be tight down 168 inch-pounds. 168 inch-pounds. Now the next step is to go do a 90-degree turn on each bolt in sequence. Now the next step is to do it again. Do another 90-degree turn on each bolt in sequence. There you go, that head's all torqued down. Now I just gotta flip the motor around and do the other side. And again, I'm oiling up my threads, so hopefully they don't squeak when I tighten them. Now I need to tighten bolts 1 and 2 to 27 foot-pounds. Now I need to tighten 3, 4, 5, and 6 to 168 inch-pounds. Now I need to do the 90-degree turn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I need to do another 90-degree turn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That head's all tightened down. There you have it. That's the heads installed. It's a pretty simple process. Doesn't really take much to it. Next time we'll be putting all our timing components on. Thanks for watching. See you next time.